Hi folks, this is Mr. Berg. We're going to do MDSolids. So first you want to find it on your computer, lower left-hand corner, and just type in MDS. There's MDSolids. It should show up on the screen here. There it goes. And then pick trusses. Okay, and we're going to do a new truss. So click on New Truss. The horizontal spacing is 10, and I'm going to go all the way up to 10. Same thing with vertical spacing. I'm going to have them go by 10 by 10. And go OK. Now we can draw our triangle. And I'm going to do practice problem number 2 for our triangle. So we're going to pick a corner and draw a triangle. So it's on create right here and members. So I'm going to take this and move it 5 spaces. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks good. I'm going to go up 3 from that corner. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to draw the hypotenuse. So there's my structure that I'm going to do there's my truss system. Okay, and then create. I'm going to click on supports. Over here is our pin. Go down. That puts a roller there, and go to the left, and that's a pin. Sometimes it doesn't quite work, and you got to figure out which one to do first. Over here on the right-hand side, I need to make a roller. It's going straight down because it's holding that end up. Then I'm going to come over here to loads, click on that, click on the corner, drag it to the right, and it says enter the magnitude. I'm going to put 200 pounds because that's what it looks like on there, and it tells you left to right direction arrow. Enter the load. So all that is in there. It even gives you what that angle is right there, 30.964 degrees. Now, once you've got that drawn, which is what you have on your paper, then you can hit compute, and it does it all for you. Okay, now why am I showing you this? One, there's a program out there, probably in real life, that's what people do. Number two, do you have the correct answers? So right now I'm showing you this program so you can find your answers and double check with them. So let's take a look. Here's our structure. Okay, this corner, the right-hand corner, they labeled it B. On the drawing, it's actually called C. Okay, but in the lower right-hand corner, we have a reactionary force in the Y direction. It's 120 pounds. The arrow is going up. So you should be able to look at your summary table and see that that force in the lower right-hand corner, however it's labeled, is 120 pounds and the arrow's going up. We have a reactionary force here at A. It's going down 120 pounds. So that should match up with your table, your summary table. We have a reactionary force of A in the X direction. That's 200 pounds. And up here, force C is 200 pounds and it's moving to the right. Now we can go through and figure out the rest of it. So this vertical component right here, on this drawing, it's from A to C. It's 120 pounds and it's in tension. Check with your summary table to make sure you have that. Along the bottom here, it's 200 pounds and it's in tension. And then the hypotenuse says it's 233.24 pounds and it is in compression. Okay, so you can actually check your work on everything that you've done here to be able to see what you have. Okay, this does not take the place of you actually doing the math. This is just going to be used for a check to make sure your answers are right. Okay, if they're not right, then you need to go back and look at your math. You've got it all written down. You've shown your work. And yes, you do have to show your work, but you've shown all the work for what we've done there. Okay? Now, when we have a test, you will not be able to use this program on the test. You have to show me all the work. So the steps, remember, draw your summary table. Draw your reaction forces. Do the summation of your moments equals 0. Summation of f of x equals 0. Summation of f of y equals 0. And that's just to get the reactionary forces. Then we have to go back in and find the rest of them. Okay, and that's what all the work is. So for right now, that's how you do it. Good luck. If you have any questions, ask